amigos, we are The Roots. On this vlog, we are sharing with you our ups and multiple downs on our mission to travel and experience as much from life as possible. So please tag along on this journey. So, Mr. Root, what are we doing now?
On today's episode, we made our way to Portland. We went to visit Laura's nephew, Rodrigo, and his family. From there, we're on our way to Yellowstone. We explore a little bit here, a little bit there, and some of the Columbia Gorge.
If you saw our previous videos, then you know that we are still on our first road trip on our, for now, rolling tent. So the gist of the trip is basically leaving Phoenix, going to Sequoia National Park, then Yosemite, after that San Francisco, and then explore the Oregon coast all the way to Portland. After that, of course, Twin Falls, to make our way to Yellowstone and the Grand Teton, to finalize on Zion National Park before getting back home. In today's video, we're exploring Portland and the Gorge. Rain and more rain was a constant companion in the Oregon coast. Even when this was in mid-June, it was actually really cold, at night especially. Now keep in mind that at this time, we didn't have our heater set up, so we struggled a little. And also the newfound leaks around the bus didn't help and make things a little bit inconvenient. But regardless of the struggles, it was a total adventure, and we gotta say that the Oregon coast is absolutely stunning, gorgeous. It was worth it, every second. We arrived to Portland and crashed into my nephew Rodrigo's house. Rodrigo and his wife Dana were the best hosts ever, by the way. My little niece Alexis is the cutest child. So while in Portland, we also visited Japanese garden. It's a little expensive, but it's worth every penny. It's truly a masterpiece, and the kids really enjoy it. And yes, it was raining, and it was cold. But coming from Phoenix, rain is a commodity, and it smells so wonderful. Ethan, those are as big as you think. Good Lord. I wonder what they taste like. Chicken? Okay. Wow, what do you think, mommy? I like them. Okay, yeah. Papi, don't fall in the water, please. Oh. I worked for a landscape architecture company years ago. It gave me a deep appreciation for landscape architecture, of course. And one thing that I love about Japanese architecture is that embraces nature like no other, giving a peaceful tranquility to every space. What are you doing? Mr. Brian is being inappropriate. And you don't know, but he's being inappropriate. Push it, señor. Push it. So look at that. This is a rose garden in Portland, Washington Park. Just went to the Japanese garden. So freaking beautiful.
Those are huge.
Yes, they're big. Okay, ready? Go. Whee! Okay, come on. Let's go. You like that? They make concerts and stuff in here, puppy. Okay, so let's see. Here we are in Rodrigo's house. We crushed his party, right? So we're really thankful.
We're having a good time talking about the universe.
Yes, we're bullshitting about the universe and all his doings and non-doings and family and, trash talking people. Like what you do when you meet with family usually, right?
Absolutely, just gossip about everybody.
Brian just did dinner for us. He's awesome rice and fish, and that was awesome. And the kids are just watching
cartoons.
Watching
Doing their own
cartoons.
thing.
Yeah, no mattering what we're doing. So thank you guys for having us in your house.
Thank you much.
Absolutely, thank you for
I
coming.
meant to videotape before, but we just talk and I forgot, and when we realized it's time to go to bed and I don't do shit. Anyway, thank you guys for having us. We love you.
Thank you.
Thank you
Thank
guys.
you. Appreciate it much.
Whenever
Thank you.
Whenever you need, whenever you want.
Oh,
you're
you know
always
it goes
welcome.
both ways. You know that. We love you guys.
If I make it home tonight, may I hold you one last time? Let me hold you one last time. What if it's too
Following day after saying our goodbyes, we left Portland. We drove to the Gorge, that is the south highway of the Columbia River.
never be the same? How can I make up for my sins? Now I'm lonely and it kills me.
Of course, another spectacular drive.
Can you hear me, babe? I'm lonely. I know you don't wanna talk, but just pick up the phone. We could go for
We couldn't hold ourselves and we did a quick stop at the Multnomah Falls.
sit next to me. Let things happen naturally, like it used to be. I don't
And then we took a hike all the way to the top of the falls.
sit up again.
God, Oregonians are so lucky. They are surrounded by beauty everywhere they go.
Tonight, may I hold you one last time? Let me hold you one last time. What if it's too late for me now?
The hike is steep and a little slippery, but luckily we were using the right kind of shoes. Although we saw a few people on sandals, and we could see that was no bueno. Anyway, the views along the way are a complete gift.
Hold you one last time. Let me
I must sound like a broken record, but I gotta say again that Oregon is breathtakingly beautiful.
What if you gone to someone else, so we can never be the same? How can I make up for my sins? Now I love
We were a little disappointed because we didn't saw Sasquatch. Not once. Darn it. Sadly, we were running out of time and we couldn't stay any longer. So we had to keep driving east. But we will be coming back with more time to spare, and for sure, we will do a lot more exploring on this beautiful state. Well, that's it for today, you guys. Please consider subscribing, smash that bell, and know that wherever you are in the world, we wish you good health. And until next time, hasta luego, amigos.